Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Shabet here again. Today I'm going to show you how I make grilled fish and chips. It's a very delicious recipe. You should try it. So let's get cooking. For this recipe, I'm going to be using tilapia fish. It has already been cleaned and washed. I'm going to use a knife to create lines in the fish. This is to help the spice get into the fish properly, and I'll be doing that on both sides of it. So in here I have curry, thyme, black pepper, knorr powder, yagi spice, that's like suya spice, salt, and then chili pepper. This is what we're going to use for our marinade. To the spice, I'll add vegetable oil. So you mix that until everything is combined and it looks like a paste. I'm going to apply that all over the fish and then let that sit for about 20 minutes. While the fish is sitting, I'm just going to peel the potatoes. This is the part I hate. I don't have a potato peeler, so I have to use a knife. And I do not like peeling potatoes. You can cut the potatoes however you like them, wedges or however, but I just like cutting mine like this. To a bowl of water, I'm going to add salt and vinegar. Vinegar is optional. So I soak the potatoes in the water for about 20 minutes or so, and then I don't know, it just has the better taste when I do this. So it's optional as well. You can just fry it directly. I'm going to blend a piece of ginger, peppers, 3 cloves of garlic, and then half an onion, and then chop the other half. To a hot pan or pot, add oil. When the oil is hot, add your chopped onion. I'm also going to be adding green peppers. I don't think I mentioned it previously. I already had it blended in the fridge, so I'm just adding it here. I've preheated my oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. I'm just going to line the bottom with a parchment paper because this fish can create a mess and I don't want to clean nothing. So it's easier to clean when you line the bottom. I'm going to put the fish in for about 20 minutes. So back to the sauce. I'm going to add all my spices, curry, thyme, pepper. Yes, small pepper, because when you eat this fish, you need to sweat. That's the beauty of it. So I'm going to add all of that, but be careful not to add too much because the first marinade already has spices, so you don't want it too salty. When it's ready, it should look like this. Now I'm gonna fry the potatoes. I'll just drain them from the water that they've been sitting in, and then when the oil is hot, I'll toss them in. You can salt your potatoes before or after you fry them, but I salt mine before because I don't like the raw salt after, so I always salt them before I fry. The potatoes have been frying for about 10 to 15 minutes, so I like them like this. I'm going to take them out, but if you want them a little more brown, you can leave them for a little longer and then take them out. The fish has been in the oven for 20 minutes and now it's time to add the sauce on top of it. So we're going to add the sauce and then let it stay for another 15 minutes and then the fish is ready. It's been 15 minutes and the fish is ready. And there you have it, your grilled fish and chips is ready. Very easy, very quick. Okay, not very quick, but it tastes delicious. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to try out this recipe. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.